Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet Pro CP1525nw color printer in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome and in search type HP LaserJet CP1525nw color printer driver, download and hit enter key. Okay, first link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Open the first link. Here we find HP LaserJet Pro, then our printer name, color printer, our printer name, and here we find our operating system. If operating system is not right, in this case operating system is not right, Windows 10 64-bit, then go to choose a different OS and click on the Windows and go to the Windows 11. If you find Windows 11, then go to the Windows 11. If you not find Windows 11, then go to the Windows 10 64-bit. Windows 10 64-bit drivers are 110% work with the Windows 11 and click on the update. After that, scroll down and here we find driver universal printer driver. Expand this. Here we find two drivers. First is the 64-bit PostScript and PCL. Download any driver that you want. I go to the first driver. You can also go to the second driver also. Both are same drivers. I click on the first driver. Now click on the download and download is started at the top. Okay, go to the here downloads. Click on show in folder. Minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. This is our setup file and we are going to unzip this setup file. This setup file is actually a zip file. Right click on it. Click on show more options. Click on extract files. Click on the OK. And here we find newly created folder. Double click on it. And here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install it. We are going to install it manually. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, go to the first option, add a printer or scanner. Click on add a device and wait for a few seconds. In a few seconds, new option is pop up. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find new option. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on this, add a new device manually. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual setting. Select the last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. It is an most IMP part in this installation and click it here and go to the any USB port that you want. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, 004. If you find .4_001 HP port, HP printer device, then select the HP. If you not find that, then go to the USB. I select the USB. Click on the next. Click on a have a disk. Click on browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find our newly created folder. Double click on newly extracted folder. Double click on it. And here we find some files. And these all files are .inf file. And these all files contain same drivers. Click on any driver or any file that you want. Click on any file. Click on the open. Click on the OK. Now it show universal PS and the PS with the version number. Okay, select anyone. This is an old printer and these old printers are all old printers of the HP or any printers with the universal printer. Name is universal printer for the old printers. Okay, now go to the next. Give any name that you like. I give my printer name. Give any name that you like. I give this name and go to the next. Click on next. Wait for a few seconds. In a few seconds, printer installation is complete. Wait for a few seconds to install this printer. Don't cancel it. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find two options. If you want to share in the network, so select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next option is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, type printers and scanner and click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner list, if you find your printer name, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.